Unused gym memberships. Paying for a gym membership but not utilizing it is a common way people waste money. Consider more cost-effective fitness alternatives if you're not committed to regular gym visits. Unused subscriptions. Subscribing to services such as streaming platforms that you don't actively use or need can drain your finances over time. Impulse purchases. Buying items on a whim without careful consideration of their necessity or value often leads to wasted money. Eating out frequently. Dining at restaurants or ordering takeout regularly can significantly add up, especially when compared to the cost of cooking meals at home. Late fees and interest charges. Missing payments on bills or credit cards can result in additional fees and interest charges, constituting avoidable money wastage. Excessive energy consumption. Failing to be mindful of energy usage by leaving lights, electronics, or appliances on when not needed can result in higher utility bills. Subscribe now to our channel Financial. No worries and don't miss out on new financial topics.